And Mr. Central, once we've got a PO, we're super happy with it. We need to actually have a formal process for how we communicate our POs to our vendors. So step one for us is to actually head up to the print send menu and then to hit send. And it's going to load the document sending preferences of the vendor card. Here I can see email, yes, and I can say prompt for settings. So at this stage, like I can choose some settings around the attachments, etc. I'm just going to leave everything as is, hit OK, and the email box will load up. And this is all within BC. You can see here the email. I can actually highlight stuff, can make the stuff different colors. So you got a WYSIWYG editor there. We can add CC different users. I can change the from email address to different senders within the organization. Okay, and I can also manage the files that are associated. I can delete the file, or I can add files from the source document, being the vendor card or the purchase order. So quite useful. And from there, all we do is we hit send. So as an example, it's an email address. We hit send and it's gone just like that. So I'll go pull up what that email looks like. And here is now the email received to my email address. I can see the attachment. I can see the changes that I made. I can open the attachment and it's got the relevant purchase order confirmation per your document layout settings. Thank you.